This video is on how to fix cancel Sprint. What you want to do is take your controller, put it inside a dresser, put it inside your drawer. It's just going. That's the main fix right there. The main fix. I'm telling you guys, this fixes everything. So put your controller where it can't get no air. Can't get no air inside these sticks. But that's what happens. Something gets stuck in these shits, and you gotta use the vacuum to suck it out, and you blow around the shit. That fixes it too. There's two other tips, but the main fix: put it inside a dresser every single night. Keep this bitch covered up 24/7, pretty much. Just 24/7, 24/7. Keep this bitch covered up. With no air. Don't let this bitch get no air. So yeah, this is a very big problem for me, so I'm trying to help you guys out.